You ready? Relax, it's just...
Oh my god! Oh my god, you are a criminal! Criminal!
Okay, ready? I'm just gonna cut. Oh! Whoa!
They said nope.
I got him a new friend today. I hope they get along. Oh dear, all that emotion is just exhausting, isn't it? Such a drama. Alright, just a small piece.
Flavor it is inside.
Alright, let's see how this guy tastes. First cut right. Oh my god! Ready, bud? It's just cake. Oh my god.